guys who wants to have fun with me. If you are like me, struggling with being consistent or consistency in your life, I would like to put across a proposal to you. I am creating an impromptu get back to being consistent kind of challenge. And if that sounds like something that you would want to join in, by all means, I would love for you to come in and join in the fun. Here's what's going to happen. As of tomorrow, for the next coming 30 days, we are going to go on a crusade of actually picking up something in our lives, whether it be you trying to lose some belly fat, whether it be you trying your level best to get back into the gym routine, trying to read the scriptures in the Bible, or be it meditation, or I don't know, anything and everything out there, creating those sales calls for your business, or whatever that tickles your fancy. I would really love for you to embark on this challenge with me and everyone else that would feel led to join in on the fun. So this is what's going to happen. You are going to pick one area of your life that you feel like you have neglected some consistency in, or that you really would like to pick up and, put in that energy and focus to get it on traction again. And once you pick that up, what we are going to do is, for the next coming 30 days, starting from tomorrow, we are going to put it on our to-do list, on our goals, on our, I don't know, wherever you put your goals at, just put it out there. And we are going to embark on this journey of trying to at least tackle one area of our lives that we seem to be dwindling around, right? As for me, I am, or rather, I would say I'm an avid gardener. Is it an avid gardener? I don't know. But then I just love growing my own food. And yes, for the past year, I've been pregnant and I gave birth, and my baby is now 6 months old. And during that time, even though I was trying my level best to do some of the stuff, right, or get my garden in order somehow, it has gone into shambles. And I just realized that I am lacking that oomph, even though this is something that I dearly love, I'm just lacking that starting up so that I can create or get the traction that is needed for me to actually get back into the swing of things, of which for me is growing my own food. In this instance, whenever I say food, just know it's vegetables and a little bit of fruits here and there. So I am embarking on this journey of actually going back into that space and starting to create food again. It is October now here in South Africa, and it is the most perfect time to actually grow a lot of vegetables. So I just felt like it is an ideal time for me to actually go back to the practice of actually growing my own foods. So I am putting myself on the spot. I'm holding myself accountable, and I'm actually putting it out there so that you can also maybe just look at the progress and look at how progressing towards the goal of actually getting that traction. The whole idea is to just get that traction to move back into the swing of things. This is something that has always been a no-brainer. I would wake up, and before I do a lot of things in a day, I would just go and find my solitude in my garden and just do whatever it is that I needed to do for that day. And for some reason, it just gave me so much peace of mind, so much liberation, and it honestly felt like it was my me time. So I kind of felt like I've gone by the wayside when it comes to that, and I want to go back into that swing of things. So like I said, for the next 30 days, starting from tomorrow, you are going to pick up one thing in your life that you feel like you need some push, some oomph around, that you are going to stick with for the duration of this 30 days and get back the traction of doing that thing. You are welcome to also pick up something new, but then you need to hold yourself accountable. I am also going to hold myself accountable. How am I going to hold myself accountable? Is I am going to document each and every day of the coming 30 days doing my garden work. It feels like a very huge challenge, and the reason why it feels so huge is because I'm putting it out there, and I'm literally asking you to hold me accountable as well, be my accountability buddy somehow, by looking into whether I'm doing this or not, and also being there to encourage if you can encourage me, and help me through this journey in any means, form, whatsoever. Ideally, it would be awesome if you can watch this journey while I will be documenting it every day. It's going to be a little bit of a challenge for me because it's not now just me doing my gardening. It will be me doing my gardening, documenting it, editing the videos, and putting them up on YouTube on a daily basis for the next coming 30 days. I am hoping with everything in me that it goes as smooth as I am anticipating it to. And I am also aware that there is fatigue that one might run into. It's something that I am well aware of. And I'm just saying to myself, you know what, I will just take it one day at a time and just go through with this whole process. Because I also understand that if it is something that you really want to do, you would find the time, the space, the focus, and the effort in your daily life to actually squeeze it in somehow. So the challenge also for you here would be pick up that one thing. Just pick up that one thing that you would love to get some consistency around and walk with me on this journey. I would really love to hear from you. Maybe you can just maybe put it down in the comments section below and tell us, what is it that you would like to start embarking on, and let's hold each other accountable somehow. And also, I'm hoping that whenever I post, or every day when I post, it would also give you a nudge to actually do that which you said you wanted to do for yourself, right? Then after this 30 days, I'm hoping that I will come back here and just speak on the experience itself and what has transpired of the whole thing. And ideally, I would actually love for all those that would be embarking on this challenge with me to somehow we group ourselves together. I'm still trying to figure out how we're going to do that, but then the likelihood is we might have a Zoom session whereby we just come in and we speak of our challenges, we speak of our wins, and we just support each other throughout this journey. But then I'm hoping that would happen after the 30 days, maybe a few days after that, to just mingle and share our experiences around how the journey went. And if you or if you actually feel led to embark on this challenge with me, I would really, really appreciate for you to be part of it. I know there's some people that are quite shy. It's okay. Even if you are shy, you don't have to put it out there. As a self-development advocate, I normally, in most cases, say whenever you have goals, it's ideally to have your goals not broadcasted out, because the more you broadcast what it is that you are doing, it almost feels like you are including everyone else. And if you don't find, or if you don't take it to fruition, it feels like you are accountable to more than yourself, and it almost feels like something that is like, nah, you'd rather just do everything in secrecy. But then at the very same time, there is a plus to actually putting it out there, because you are now holding yourself accountable in front of everyone, and it almost motivates you somehow to actually pursue and keep bringing it on up until the last stage. So very, very personal stuff. It wouldn't be stuff that I would put up to say, okay, everyone hold me accountable for this. But then something like this, which I feel like it's fun, it's going to also help us build the muscle when it comes to consistency and self-development. I think it's something that we can all just be part of. And if you are feeling this, I would really love for you to actually be part of this. After the 30 days itself, I just have a few of my notes here, guys, so please don't mind me, or mind me, I don't know which one is it. If I look on the side. Okay, yeah, after the 30 days itself, I will be posting information about how we can come together and, have that beautiful conversation around what has transpired as our experiences in this journey. And the other thing is, as I am actually uploading a video every day, I'm hoping and praying that it becomes a sign for you to actually keep up with what you have held yourself accountable for. We're going to make it fun. We're just going to make it fun. There would be instances, like I said earlier on, whereby there would be forces that somehow challenges you. It's life, life, it's not linear. Life ebbs and it flows. But then the whole idea is to just hold yourself accountable, and I'll also be doing the same thing on my side. Initially, I actually thought maybe 2 weeks would be ideal, but then at the very same time, I'm like, you know what, I'd rather maybe just put it for a longer haul so that it sticks. We get the habit to somehow invigorate us in one way or the other, to allow for us to, get that habit coming into your space and you being consistent around it. Oh yes, I wanted to actually say I'll be also putting up information or maybe documenting the journey. Even though I'll be documenting the journey through YouTube videos, I'll also be using the community tab on YouTube so that I send you guys some information when it comes to this entire process. So yeah, you will be seeing a lot of me up and down, out without my makeup, in the setup that I normally am in when I do my YouTube videos, because like I said, I'll be working in the garden. Yeah, so if you want to get back to that exercise regime that fell off, if you want to start catalyzing your business again and getting those clients and doing those sales calls, this could be something that you might want to embark into. If you want to go back to, as mundane as it sounds, let's say reading, these people that love reading that have stopped because of a lot of other things that are happening in life, it could be something that you really just pick up again and start doing for the next coming 30 days. And the thing around this whole thing is, one might say, I don't have the time. And I think I'm one of the people that truly believe that if it's something that you really love, if it's something that inspires you, if it's something that boosts you, your energy, your frequency, and moves you to higher altitudes when it comes to your vibration and all of that, you will find the time in your day to actually do something around it, So most of the information actually leading up to our gathering or our get together, I would either be posting it on the community tab, so please do look out for that, or it would be part of the description in the videos that I would be putting out on a daily basis. Chances are some people will find this video maybe a few days later. You are welcome to join in. Then possibly if you bump into this video in the middle of this whole thing, please by all means pick up the process, and you might want to add a few more days to just catch up and make your 30 days or so. Yeah, I am excited about this and a little bit nervous. I wouldn't say anxious, yes, nervous, because I'm actually putting myself out there to say, guys, who wants to have fun with me? If you are in, by all means, comment, challenge accepted, and maybe say what it is that you are going to hold yourself accountable on, and why. I would really love to know why. Like I said, also, if you're somebody that is very private and these are the kind of things that you normally do not do, I would also just appreciate a like to this video. But then also just remember, now and then it's good to actually stretch yourself and put yourself outside of your comfort zone. It's the very same thing that I'm also doing. I'm trying to overcome the hurdles that I actually am creating for myself in my mind, because I'm thinking I'm going to be doing all of this work and I'm going to be filming this whole thing, and I need to edit and upload in one day, all the while doing everything else that I need to be doing in my life. So yeah, as I said earlier on, the only person that would know if you have done what you intended for yourself to do is yourself. And I truly believe that if you are able to hold yourself accountable when no one is watching, that's one of the greatest elements that you can anchor yourself with in life. So yeah, I'll be uploading every day. When I upload, I am hoping when you see that upload, it gets you the nudge to actually follow through with whatever it is that you intend on kicking the consistency element to your life with. I think I'm doing this also because it's something, it's one of those words that are being thrown around, especially on social media. It's just being thrown around so much. And truth of the matter is, it's just one of those things that are actually not easy. They are they require willpower, they require strength for one to actually prevail. So yeah, I'm going to be putting myself out there and hoping that you are going to embark on this journey with me. And every time I upload, whatever it is that you are holding yourself accountable for, please also check it on your side. It would be awesome to see what comes of this. If no one joins me, I'm still going ahead as I have decided, and yeah, and just doing this thing. But then, truth of the matter is, I would love to have other people join me on this crusade of us just getting back some of the mojo in our lives, just getting back the mojo in our lives. So yeah, I think my video is long enough now. I think I've said everything that I wanted to say, but then if there's something that I've omitted, like I said, I will use the community tab to communicate, and with the videos that I'll be uploading for the next coming 30 days would be on the description. There would be information if there's anything that I have omitted. So I hope you are in. Let's do this thing. And as always, I will see you on my next upload.